David Jaya. Yeah, take a slow approach. I got these Quandro males taking on a... Oh my gosh, they've actually just taken on a flow and a fuzzy non-pin.
Don't look.
They've just got it. It's yeah, David, I'm going to close this lock for the time being. I've got two Quandro boys. They've just taken down a flow.
Don't look.
You make your way, David. Just for the time being. We'll discuss it later. Just make your way.
Do we have to stay somewhere?
Solifilla,
Oh, can we go?
Stand by.
Really? Are you going to be sick?
No, I don't want to see this.
This is life, unfortunately. And I understand what you're saying, but this is life. I fully understand what you're saying, but you are never going to see this ever again.
Just look away.
When you go, put your TV on and you will see this. If you really don't want, you want me to go?
Just look away, guys.
Hope?
Hope.
No, Hope, honestly.
Hope, look.
It's about your holiday, not
Just
about
look
this.
away.
Honestly, guys. Guys, honestly. Don't listen to you, so tell me what I should do. Echo 5, JR, Echo 5. Echo 5 for Bravo 31 Juliet.